Good afternoon, Buck Osmond, Collier RV, Rockford, Illinois. Well, this one would be pretty fun. It's a 2018 Windsport 29M. I do see one chip in the windshield. The front cap itself is missing the gel coat. The sides look great. The back cap is also missing the gel coat. You do have side cameras. The tires are 2025. Swintech slide system. I like to call that a super slide. You do have a slide topper already added on. Frameless windows. 6-gallon hot water tank, city connection, hot and cold shower. Easy access to the furnace. That is great. We get to the rear. Again, a little bit of fading on the back cap. You do have your back camera. That's an 8,000 pound towing rail. But the reality is you can only tow about 5,000 pounds. Outdoor kitchen. That's all I care about when it comes to these little mini fridges. Metal sink, nice touch. We have good storage. And no signs of water damage, which is great. Slap latches. You have outdoor entertainment. That's your TV, that's your stereo. Do have an electric awning, LED lights. Good storage below. Love the fact that the doors open sideways. Fresh water. There's a freshwater fill. When you come in, little storage. Battery disconnect switches, lights. Awning controls, step controls. You do have a nice grab handle coming up the stairs. So this is that bed I was telling you about. They have to really like each other, but two can sleep here. One comfortably, obviously. I'm going to get that out of the way real quick. You do have your tank indicators, LP 110 N gas for hot water, tank heaters for black and gray, slide controls, the generator. Again, has 324 hours. So when that is out of the way, obviously you have storage up here. All very nice with their little shocks. You have a prep area here, so Dawn can have food on the road or look at her laptop. Got power in there. The chairs do swivel, and it looks like brand new material. Up front, generator start stop switch, drivers, passengers, fans. That's to defog the windows. Cab lights, sunshade. So if it's really bright out there, you drop down the screen. Now this will go all the way when your ignition's not on, but when your ignition is on, the reality is it's going to stop somewhere right there. You do have one-touch leveling system, heated mirrors, controls for the mirrors are electric, emergency start, so this connects your house to your chassis. And then 7-inch screen over here, so go ahead and turn that on for a second. You have your backup screen and your side cameras. 23,747 miles on it. We get back here to the sofa. That's a trifold sofa. The sofa has definitely been replaced. Good storage above. So the little details I was telling you about is the reality is you can see some of the brad nail marks. We get over here, you have a little bit of the flaking going on this, but the cushion itself, for both of them, looks great. So booth dinette, you do have DVD player plus old school HMI controls. Definitely bigger than normal on the TV, and that is hard mounted. Quartz material, solid countertop, adjustable shelves, which is nice. Residential on your microwave. Inverter controls here, also inverter controls there. 3-burner stove, A little bit bigger oven by about 5 inches. Good storage throughout. Your thermostat for your heat and your AC. Porcelain toilet, great storage. Metal sink, good size shower. A little exhaust fan. You have your breaker box down here. Always have those spare fuses on board. You can close the bedroom for privacy. And obviously you can close the bathroom as well for privacy. This is a 12-volt compressor fridge. So you do have a freezer and the fridge itself. I believe it's 8 cubic feet of storage. Your TV in the bedroom has storage behind it. That's rather deep, actually. And then you have USB chargers and 110s. 6 good-sized drawers. 3 huge wardrobes. So, this is all for you, Dawn. I'm just kidding. And then, you know how it goes for the guys. We get the drawers below. Anyways, you do have 2/3 wardrobes and storage above as well. Big Max air fan. The ceiling itself looks good. I'm about to go walk the roof. Underneath here we have deep storage with the ladder to get up in that front bunk, plus the table. Stereo's back here, stereo system. And I know I move kind of fast, so let me give you guys a pass. Your back bedroom. Again, no signs of water damage anywhere. Your kitchen area. Your bathroom. Very nice. And let me get up front here. You have your entertainment. It's pretty big. More storage, booth dinette. Jackknife sofa. Or not jackknife, trifold sofa. And up front. If you guys like it, and I do want you to know that it's probably not going to last very long. Thank you very much. Have a great day.